Hello and welcome to Gabe in the Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious Shiroi Koibito. No, Shiroi Koibito. Those are completely different things. I just said black and white. But yeah, Shiroi Koibito. Now, these are beautiful Langue biscuits sandwiched with a white chocolate in the middle. So Shiroi is white, Koibito is lover. Don't get any funny ideas about race. It's white chocolate, that's why it's called Shiroi Koibito. And Langue obviously is French, so the biscuit type is usually like a finger. That's cat's tongue. But today we're doing circles because we couldn't find a Chablon that was like finger shaped. It's gonna be absolutely magnificent. Two continents coming together to make a beautiful treat. For this recipe, you're gonna need these are obviously optional. Food coloring and pistachio to make the color match the flavor. Now this is honestly the easiest recipe on this channel. Honestly, well, yeah, the easiest one so far. It sounds fancy schmancy, but it's not. It's easy. Let's take a minute to welcome the sun, everybody, to UK. Welcome, Mr. Sun or Mrs. Sun, whatever. Put your butter in, make sure it's cold because it does affect the way your batter spreads. When you come to using your Chablon, it's much better if you leave it cold. And if it's too wet, if your batter's too wet, you can put it in the fridge before you start. Go medium. You just want to cream your cold butter. All right, I'm going to leave this to the side for now. Then I'm going to sift in my icing sugar. That's what you're looking for. I'm going to go back to my electric hand whisk. Add your vanilla. A little goes a long way. Give that a buzz. Add your egg whites. Give that a quick buzz. Add your flour. Give that a quick buzz. You should be left with a really thick, I'm gonna stop it right there, really thick mix. We're just gonna use our spoon from now on. At this point, you can go ahead and start using your Chablon, so you can skip to the part where I use a Chablon. But for those who want that pistachio, I've already made one batch, so this is the second batch. I'm gonna use pistachio flavoring, should I say. For a batter this size, and for my particular pistachio brand flavoring, it says here 3 ml per kilo. We've got about 150 grams. So if it's 3 ml per kilo, let's do 4.5 ml per 1.5 kilo. Divide that by 10, which is 0.45 ml that we need. Let's run up to 0.5 ml, and apparently 1 ml is 1 ml is 20 drops, so we just do 10 drops in here. So we go, bet you didn't think you'd be doing a maths lesson, huh? Get 10 drops out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Those came out quick. And because we're doing pistachio, I'm just gonna add like a tiny drop. Throw that in. Yeah, we need a bit more than a drop. That's good. That's really good. I'm gonna put that in the fridge for 10 minutes. Right, and this bit should be easy depending on how thick your batter is. Now you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, a 3x4 area. We're gonna start from here and we're just gonna fill that out. Should be nice and easy to fill out. It will feel like you're using all the paste, but don't worry. We're gonna scrape most of that back out, and then grab yourself one of these scrapers, and we're just gonna scrape like so, fill in any gaps, put the excess back in the bowl. Gently peel away our stencil, our Chablon. I'm gonna place this on this side, and we're gonna do the same thing again. Now, because they're all different thickness, they're gonna cook at different rates. So keep an eye out. Any that start to get nice and golden around the outside, take them out and let the rest carry on cooking. Straight in we go for about 10 minutes. As you can see, because the thickness wasn't even, some of them are ready, some of them are not. So I'm just gonna pick out the ones that are ready, put it back in. You can leave these to cool on here because it's not going back in the oven, so they can stay on here to cool. High quality cooking white chocolate, straight in the microwave. We're just gonna temper it now. We're gonna melt it You don't have to be, you know, it's going to be sandwich, so you don't have to be super careful about your tempering because it doesn't have to be glossy. 30-second bursts max. But yeah, if you want to see how to properly temper chocolate, we have done a video on that. I'll leave that somewhere in the top so you can check that out. When you get to about this stage where there's still some clumps in there, you're good to go. Just keep mixing, that will dissolve and it will be semi-tempered, you know, that's all we need. Okay, so the same stencil we used earlier goes straight in. 4x3 is what we're gonna do, and we're gonna double it, same as before, exactly the same as before. Pour your chocolate in. Not sure how I'm gonna collect this excess though. Guys, I'm doing my best here. It's actually harder than it looks to collect runny chocolate, isn't it? There's probably some technique that I'm missing, but peel away. And then we'll repeat on this side. See how when it's thicker, it's easier to grab the excess? The excess is going back in here. It's gonna be used as glue to stick these pieces together. I'm gonna put this in the fridge so it cools down quicker. Now comes the fun part, the assembly. Right, so we're gonna start with our pistachio ones, of course. So grab yourself 2. Get your glue, which is the excess chocolate. You wanna stick a little bit on there. Peel away one of these. Stick it right on there. Get some more glue on there. And stick your biscuit right on top. Now that's gonna be a delicious bite. Put that to the side. And we're just gonna repeat all the way around, baby. Rather than have these as white chocolate, you can have them as milk chocolate or dark chocolate. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and everything between. Here is our Shiroi Koibito. Beautiful Langue biscuits, sandwiches with white chocolate in the middle. Beautiful. I hope you give this a go. Let us know in the comments how it goes for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, please. We're lonely. The comment sections are looking very lonely. But yes, we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.